Can HVAC systems remove allergens? Yes, HVAC systems can reduce airborne allergens, but they cannot remove every allergen or replace regular cleaning and proper humidity control. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems help by pulling indoor air through filters that catch particles such as dust, pollen, pet dander, and some mold spores. A filter with a higher minimum efficiency reporting value rating usually catches smaller particles, but the highest rating is not always best for every system. A filter that is too thick or restrictive can reduce airflow and make the equipment work harder, so check the system manual before choosing one. Replace the filter on schedule and check it sooner if you have pets, allergies, construction dust, or many people in the home. Keep doors and windows closed during high pollen days, because outdoor air can bring in large amounts of pollen. A lesser-known fact is that many allergens settle on furniture and floors, so the HVAC filter cannot catch them until they become airborne again. Vacuum with a sealed vacuum cleaner, wash bedding regularly, and use a damp cloth so you do not stir particles into the air. Keeping indoor humidity between about 30 and 50% can also limit dust mites and mold, while a qualified professional can check for leaks, standing water, or dirty coils. One common mistake is assuming a filter removes everything, so use cleaning and moisture control along with filtration. Another mistake is waiting until a filter looks completely dirty, so replace it according to the recommended schedule and inspect it often. Some people also believe that an air cleaner or ultraviolet light automatically makes a home allergy-free, but these devices work only when correctly sized, installed, and maintained, so ask a qualified technician what problem the device is meant to address. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.